morning everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to the drag strip and I'm taking you guys with me. Now I gotta say I'm really excited for this video just because I've been waiting on it for a while. I've been always working on Thursdays and the drag strip only open on Thursdays, so just by luck I was off on Thursday, so I gotta make it today or it'll never happen. So yeah, like I said, I'm really excited for this video, not only for the video, but I'm really excited to go to the drag strip because I haven't been there in like 2 months. So it's gonna be an exciting day. I'm not trying to set any record or anything like that because I need to retune my car, but it's gonna be exciting. Alright guys, so this video is mainly focused on beginners or people who have never been to the drag strip. I'll be doing step by step on how to prep the car, on how to be ready for your race, how to finish after the race, what you do after the race. So I'll put every steps and tricks here and there. So if you're a beginner or you're scared to go to the drag strip, watch this video. And if you're just an expert at the drag strip, still watch it. Alright guys, so enough talking too much, let's go ahead and get started. First thing, you need a tape, blue painter's tape. You need to tape off the rear panel of your bumper, so when you do a burnout at the drag strip, it won't collect like that rubber or get stuck in there. Happened to me before. I didn't put that blue painter's tape and that rubber stuck on there for a while, and I had to actually like wash it hard to get it off. So blue painter's tape. Don't forget to do it at home because you want to leave this at home. You don't want some extra weight. I mean, it's really light and everything, like maybe 1 pound, but still, weight reduction is very important. Alright guys, so before you start taping, you need to clean this area. I already rinsed it down with water so it can take off all the dirt and grimes. The car was super dirty, but it's still dirty, but it's way better than before. So get your all-purpose cleaner, spray it down, wipe it off, and then start taping. Alright guys, so I finished both sides. There you go. If you have imperfections, like that's okay. We're gonna take it out later, just to protect this area here. Perfect. Alright guys, one last step before you hit the drag strip. After you prep this here with the blue tape, go to your back seat and see if you have any extra stuff that you don't need. The jacket, it's hot today, I'm gonna put it back on my place. Like a bag here, a camera bag, I'll put it back in my place. Make sure like you keep stuff out of your car as much as possible to make it lighter. And go to the trunk here. If you have a spare tire, get rid of it. Saves about 100 pounds. If you're all about safety and stuff like that, keep it. But it makes a difference with if you take it off. It's about 100 pounds. So this is an extra step I have to take. Nitrous, I just gotta put the nitrous bottle here and make sure it's secured. But that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and go to the track. Okay guys, so I'm finally on the way to the drag strip. I thought it was gonna be a fun ride to the drag strip, but it's horrible. It's just crowded, really crowded. Yeah, just get in, just get in. It's not gonna matter, just get in. So I have about 40 minutes. 40 minutes remaining. But it's okay. No worries, not in a hurry or anything. If you guys can see here, it's a small trick also, the gas. I don't have that much gas. And I did that on purpose for weight reduction. The wiper fluid, like I didn't do that on purpose, it's just finished, but I decided not to fill it up again, just keep it like that, so less weight too. You know what, I'm actually gonna finish it all right now until nothing comes out. That might take a while. No, it's dying. Oh, that was fast. Finished. Oh, I made a mess. Alright guys, I'll see you in 40 minutes. Guys, so I just made it to the drag strip. I love these mountains. There's like some Hellcats, some supercharged Challengers. There's a Catback, I believe, over there, or the SRT. Still just opened, like 4, so, and the drag strip is right behind me. Alright guys, so something unexpected happened. And since I'm running nitrous, I need a helmet and a jacket. I rented them out with for 30 bucks. There's a jacket, just the helmet. So he told me any nitrous supercharged turbo car need a jacket. However, if you're running under 8.6 seconds in the 8th, you need a helmet. And I sure do run under that. It's just stupid. In Houston, back in Houston, they never asked for anything, like nothing. Like you just go and race. Here there's so many restrictions and regulations, but it's okay. It's not gonna ruin my day or anything. I'm still gonna have fun. So first thing, you come here, you park your car, you open your hood, let it cool down, and next, you go ahead and lower down your tire pressure. Alright guys, so I have drag radials on the back, so you need to lower these down. Either you have slicks or drag radials or street tires, you need to lower the pressure down for the back only. The front, you can leave it the same. I'll just lower it a little bit. Usually drag radials is recommended between 17 to 20. I'll start at 20. Slicks, I have no idea what's the recommended pressure. I believe even lower, like 15. And if you have street tires, you don't need to do it that much. I would say like do until 25 or something. Don't go lower than that. But let's go ahead and lower down the tire pressure. so the left one is 20, the right is 19. That's fine. As of right now, people still didn't race. They still didn't open their racing lanes. It will open like in I think about 5-10 minutes. So for right now, I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, look around, and I'll keep you guys updated.
When we first came out with the V8 the box running.
Alright guys, so just did the first round. The track is not prepped well, so I slipped. I'm gonna do a bigger burnout next time. I'm still in staging lane. It takes forever, so I waited here about 40 minutes for the first one, so we'll see. I went ahead and straight ahead to the staging lane so I can like do as much runs as possible. That also will give the car to cool down, so that wouldn't be an issue. I'll try. It's really hard to film. They're really strict here. I can't even put a GoPro outside the car. They said you cannot put anything outside the car. That's fine, but I'll try to record next time. Alright guys, we're about to do our second run right here. Guys, so obviously this is the next day. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough footage of the car like drag racing, and I didn't have anyone to film me over there. I was there by myself. But anyway, here are my times. Definitely not what I was looking for. The one on the right here, let's see the first one, which is the best one. It was I made a 7.73 eighth mile. After that, same. Actually, I'm sorry, I think this one was first. Yeah, this is the first one I made. 7.79, 7.73, 8.0, 8.3 just kept on getting worse and worse. These two here, there was an issue with the nitrous, like the bottle like wouldn't open or was halfway open, or I was out of nitrous or something. I don't know what was going on with these two, and I span so bad, so I'm not sure what happened. Definitely there was something wrong with these two. That's why I don't want to look at them. Let's focus on these. So the 60 foot I made way better before. I made I believe 1.6 before, so that wasn't good either. Definitely the track over there not prepped well. There's like two surfaces of like of cement or whatever they use, like at the beginning, and then like it changes, which is, oh, there's a parking person behind me. Let me start the car. Bro, stop, like what? I'm just doing a video, bro. You just want to give me a ticket? What a a-hole. Alright guys, remember earlier in this video I told you to tape off the rear end of your car? Look, this is all rubber and it gets stuck hard. I even got here after the tape, but that's fine. Yeah, this side is even worse. There's a lot of rubber. I still haven't put air pressure in the tires. They're still low, which is not good at all. I drove back on them right like that. Let me show you. I drove back on them from the drag strip on 1817. It felt really loose on some of the roads. It was really dangerous actually. I don't know why I did that. I could have stopped at any gas station and just filled up. But I wanted to do it at home because I have the compressor myself and I like it. But next time, definitely will put it on the gas station. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Sorry I don't have that much footage of the drag strip itself, like the races and everything like that. I definitely need to do better. I just got too involved with the race. I wanted to do better times, but obviously I didn't. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My goal is 1,000. I'm almost there. Please help me out on that part, and follow me on Instagram, Pharaoh_morepar. Thank you guys so much for watching. And before I do that, also I have a big mod coming. It should take about three weeks to come in. It's a big mod, so stay tuned. Have a